Adjectives with prepositions. 4. Angry. Are you angry for people being treated unfairly? Anxious. Are you anxious for the future? Appreciated. What would you most like to be appreciated for? Bad. Is it bad for you to skip meals? Famous. If you could be famous for anything, what would it be? Grateful. What are you most grateful for in life? Happy. Are you happy for someone else's success? Known. What are you best known for? Late. Do you arrive late for work regularly? Punished. How should people be punished for cheating on tests? Ready. When do you start getting ready for Christmas? Remembered. Is there anything you'd like to be remembered for? Responsible. Have you ever been responsible for an accident? Sorry. Are you sorry for mistakes you've made? Thankful. What are you most thankful for in life? Useful. Is this information useful for you? Valuable. Is this advice valuable for everyone? Visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more grammar lessons.